Hi there, this is Ryan Curtis doing a little video about student voice and choice, and I think it's very important. One of the adages I go by as a teacher is whoever is doing the talking is doing the most of the learning. And I try to get the students talking in the classroom in this blended learning that we're going to do. Last AMI chunk, I had the students utilize Flipgrid a lot. I could tell that their work was a lot more thought out than if it was just something where I was the audience, or they were just answering questions from a reading passage. I think when they have an audience more than just the teacher, most students up their refinement process because they know they're going to be viewed, and they are just excited to see other people's videos and react to them. So I get more work. I think it's important too to prepare them for the workplace, and that they're going to be viewed by their peers and by other people, so they need to get familiar with that. And I'm glad at ninth grade that they have plenty of skills already able to use a lot of those programs that we have in order to get their choice and their voice. I think it's important to give them choice too, and maybe different forms of how they could complete the objective. Just because there's different learning styles, there's different learning preferences, and when I give them more choice, I often get more high caliber of engagement. And so, student choice and voice.